Keep talking to her, Rex.
Gigi, please don't do this. Shane needs you. It's okay. He loves you. Yes, Gigi.
You okay? You okay? Okay.
The baby!
I've got her. She's right here. She's right here. It's okay. Okay. We're gonna get you to a hospital. Okay? Okay.
Rex. Her name is Sierra. Your daughter's name is Sierra Rose.
Baby's name. I saw Stacy. We have to get to a hospital.
Oh my God. Stacy, she's still at the cabin. Someone should go find her. Stacy's in here. Where is she? Where's Sierra Rose? It's my baby.
Dorian is the reason that Jessica was shot. Charlie had it.
My baby. Is she okay? No. Stacy, don't move.
No, don't. You and the baby to the hospital right now. We have to go.
Go to the hospital.
Skylar's right. We have to go. We have to.
Gigi promised me to take care of him. It's okay, okay? He's gonna get you out. They're gonna get you out.
Get Gigi out of here. Now. Here, take her.
Gigi promised me. I promise you. I won't let anything happen to her. You're my sister. I'll see you back at the hospital. I promise.
Well, send house. Go. Gotta stretch for it, Stacy. It's about 2 miles in from the road. Right. Okay. Thank you. Thanks. EMTs are on their way up the lake right now.
Okay, thank God.
How are you doing?
I'm better, but I don't know about Sierra.
Just keep her warm. Keep her up against your body.
Oh, okay. What else?
You just let me know if anything changes.
Like what?
I don't know. It's okay. We're gonna be at the hospital soon.
Hear that? We're gonna get you back to your mom and daddy real soon.
What about now? Yes, you can, Stacy. You can do it. Try. This isn't working.
So you said something was wrong with the baby before you fell in?
I noticed it back at the cabin.
When she was born, or
Later.
Okay, Gigi, I need you to tell me like everything that happened tonight.
Everything?
Well, yeah, because the more we can tell the doctors, the more chance they have of saving her.
Don't worry, I'm gonna come out after you.
Rex, the ice barely held up last time. Just shut up. Hold on, Stacy.
I'm trying.
Don't worry, I'm coming for you.
Charlie and Dorian told me they were in a car accident, and I was worried they hit you, so I went to look, but I found Stacy instead.
Outside?
Yeah, and she was passed out in the snow.
Don't give up, Stacy. I'm coming. Hey.
So I brought Stacy around, took her into the cabin.
And she was all right?
And she wasn't in labor. So I accused her of lying, said that Rex wasn't Sierra's father, but that's when she had a contraction.
So you knew she was telling the truth?
Yeah, and there wasn't exactly any time to argue. And then we had the baby.
Rex, careful. I know what I'm doing. I'm almost there, okay? It's fine. You're doing great. Rex! Rex, it's breaking right under you.
We held little Sierra Rose together. She was so beautiful.
Yeah, she is.
And then Stacy and I don't know.
What?
It was like we were kids again. Like nothing bad had ever happened.
Baby is a little miracle, isn't she?
and then something was wrong.
Stacy, stay with me.
Rex, I just won't hold you.
You'll be fine. We need to find another way.
Just listen.
Don't talk. Just listen. Oliver, throw me the rope.
Oh, you have to take care of the baby.
You're gonna be fine. Wait, but you have to try.
Just take care of Sierra Rose. She needs her daddy.
Now, don't let go, Stacy. She needs a mother. Stacy!
What was wrong with the baby?
Stacy tried to nurse her, and then a few minutes later, she started turning blue. What is it? Do you know what's wrong with her?
Rex,
Stacy!
listen to me.
Stop talking. Hey, save your energy.
Rex,
I'm gonna tie this off and then come forward.
listen.
It's the only way. You gotta get back to Sierra Rose.
There's something you need to know about the baby. We're her parents.
I don't really care about that, okay? Just don't give up.
I'm sorry, Rex. I'm sorry.
What do you mean?
All I could think of was that she needed help, so I just thought I should try to get off the mountain by foot, and I bundled her up as best I could, and I left.
No, you did the right thing.
So I walked out onto that lake.
You couldn't have known. You couldn't have known that.
Doesn't make me feel any better. You think Stacy's gonna be all right?
Where is she?
She's not coming up. Wait, what are you doing?
Going in after her.
No, Rex, think about this, please.
You just get ready to pull us out.
No, you can't do this, Rex. You could drown too.
She is not dead. But if I don't do anything, she will be.
Okay, well, what about you? What about Shane?
That's why I have you.
Rex. No, Rex!
Stacy will be fine. I mean, you and the baby made it out of the water, didn't you?
I didn't just give birth.
Yeah, well, Stacy's strong.
She worked so hard to deliver this little girl.
Yeah?
Yeah. And she was already so weak from being stuck in the snow.
I know, I can sympathize.
I'm lucky I found her at all. I never would have left the cabin if I hadn't thought you were out there somewhere hurt.
It's a good thing I got into that accident, huh?
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. I'm I'm banged up, but totally worth it.
I still can't believe you drove through that mess to get to me.
Yeah, neither can my tires.
You said you had something to tell me. What was so important that it couldn't wait?
Lang, are you there?